For millennia, humanity has grappled with the tyranny of distance, those vast, unending journeys across continents and skies have always been our most profound challenge. The frustrating crawl of time, the stubborn persistence of miles, has relentlessly pushed us to seek a radical solution. But what if one day, with just a single step through a simple threshold, we could instantly transcend every barrier of geography and time, a gateway that not only expands our world but subtly bends the very flow of chronology? This is where science fiction whispers meet groundbreaking technology, poised to reshape the future of human movement itself. For centuries, traversing space and time was merely a dream, confined to speculation. Now, modern science begins to brush against that dream's edges, hinting at a profound new reality. At CERN, with American contributions, physicists collide protons, probing for microscopic wormholes, theoretical shortcuts through the cosmos. Meanwhile, giants like Google Quantum and IBM Quantum simulate information transfer across vast cosmic distances. They harness quantum entanglement, seeking to instantly link disparate points in the space-time continuum. In Japan, researchers at Riken and the University of Tokyo delve into quantum wormholes. Their sophisticated simulations explore how immense energy concentrations could warp spacetime, revealing pathways matter and light might traverse. Meanwhile, China pioneers intercontinental quantum communication. Institutions like the University of Science and Technology of China test instantaneous information transfer, hinting at an unprecedented ability to connect to spacetime points without discernible delay, a tangible leap from intricate theory to unsettling reality. Though these endeavors remain largely theoretical and simulated, with no human yet having truly stepped beyond time's conventional flow, each discovery incrementally reshapes our understanding. Time is not an unyielding, immutable constant, but rather a malleable, interconnected fabric. The audacious concept of temporal doorways, gates to other moments, may, one day, transcend its theoretical bounds, ushering in an era of locomotion beyond our wildest imaginings. History is punctuated by unexplained events that defy logic and astonish humanity. These narratives whisper of fleeting glimpses, perhaps even accidental intrusions, into unknown dimensions. In 1943, the USS Eldridge, often at the heart of the Philadelphia experiment, reportedly vanished from radar only to instantly reappear miles away in a different harbor. Surviving crew members suffered severe psychological trauma, profound memory loss, and in some harrowing accounts, disturbingly fused with the very structure of the ship. Then there's the enigma of Flight 513, disappearing without a trace in 1954. It astonishingly landed 35 years later, its cockpit revealing the remains of a long-dead crew. While definitive proof remains elusive, these profound mysteries ignite an insatiable curiosity. Do gateways to other realities exist? Realms that science has yet to comprehend? These strange occurrences, are they mere accidents, or do they hint at something far more profound? Drawing on Einstein's theory of relativity, scientists postulate that space and time aren't absolute. They are warped by immense gravitational forces. This gave rise to the concept of a wormhole or theoretical shortcut through spacetime, hypothesizing a direct link between two distant points, potentially spanning into the past or future. Those who might enter could simply vanish, find themselves instantly elsewhere, or experience a profound disruption of their consciousness. Physicist Kip Thorne demonstrated that this concept, while speculative, doesn't inherently violate the laws of physics. However, the colossal energy required to sustain a stable wormhole remains far beyond humanity's current capabilities. Walter Eck time travel remains unproven by experiment. Insights from fundamental particles, light, and quantum physics hint that time might not be the strictly linear, one-way flow we perceive. This opens a tantalizing hypothesis. Could there be unseen doorways within spacetime, through which objects and perhaps even consciousness might subtly slip, entirely beyond our current perception? Many physicists believe our universe is but one thread in an infinite tapestry of parallel worlds. A single choicer turn left or right might splinter a new self into an alternate reality. Stephen Hawking once pondered, if we journeyed backward through time, would we truly alter the past or simply step into an untouched branch of the cosmos? Physicist Kip Thorne proved that time travel, in theory, doesn't violate the laws of physics. Yet, the energy to forge and sustain a stable wormhole remains astronomical, far exceeding humanity's reach. Still, that it isn't explicitly forbidden by nature keeps the dream of a time door flickering. Even if technology were perfected, could the human body and consciousness endure such temporal distortion if time stretched, each cell drifting to a different rhythm? Would we still be ourselves after crossing that threshold? Some scientists propose consciousness is key, that even as the body dissipates, the self persists, as if death is merely a journey into another dimension. What would be the true cost should humanity ever succeed? Scientists estimate stabilizing a single wormhole would demand energy equivalent to the sun's output for countless years. The logistical and financial burden would be immense. Such portals, if they materialize, would be stationary, utterly controlled, a far cry from cinematic anywhere, anytime. Even a minute deviation, a subtle ripple in spacetime, could mean the traveler never returns or, far more unsettling, reappears in a timeline where their own existence has been irrevocably erased. From Einstein's curved spacetime to Hawking's paradox-defying universe, great minds agree time is a delicate fabric, vulnerable to collapse if mishandled. The door to time isn't just fantasy. From Kip Thorne's models to quantum experiments, we approach manipulating time itself. But if we ever open that door, the question isn't can we, but should we? A small shift in energy or spacetime could crumble reality like dominoes. Not just matter, but memories, history, and our very essence could vanish. Perhaps the door to time should stay a metaphor for our quest for knowledge, our push against limits. Some doors exist to remind us we aren't wise enough yet to cross them.